in a straight line. Okay? Now teacher Faye is going to shine the light through these 4 holes. I want you to look at this one, okay? And tell me what you see, alright? Let's shine the light. Wow! What do you see?
I see a moon.
What do you see?
I can see red moon.
I see a big round circle. Do you see the big round circle?
Yes.
Yes, right? That's because the boards are all in one line. Do you still see the big round circle?
No.
No, you don't, right? That's because there is something blocking the light, right? How many pieces do you see?
3.
Right, you see 3 pieces. Okay, 1 in the
Water.
1 in the
Oil.
1 in the
Air.
Very good. Okay, we're going to spin the color wheel, alright? Let's count to 20. Let's go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Wow! See?
White. White.
It's spinning.
White.
What color do you see?
White.
White?
White.
It's spinning too
White.
fast, so we
White.
can't see the color.